Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. My name is David Rodriguez, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys, what some of you guys been asking for a very long time is how do I set up the booking process on my website so that it's painless and easy and saves me a bunch of time. What was happening to me, guys, is during busy photo booth season, when bookings start coming in, the workflow really slows down when it comes to the booking process, and I'll talk about it really quick so you can get an idea. If you're brand new to the industry and haven't experienced it, you guys can relate later on down the road, and if you guys already have that experience, you guys are definitely going to associate your day-to-day work with this workflow here that I was running into. So the bottleneck process was someone would book on my website, I would get notification. Usually what I do is I'll reach out to the client, introduce myself just to set the expectation, also build a little bit of rapport about the client, what the event's gonna be about, and get them pumped up, right? And then I'll ask them to keep an eye out for an email. That email was gonna consist of a 360 booth contract or a photo booth contract, and I needed them to review the contract, sign the contract, and email it back within 48 hours. So they would book, I would talk to them, and then later on I would open up my Google Documents, open up my 360 booth contract, go back to my Wix website, copy the first name, copy the location, copy the time, copy and paste, and then I would have to download that revised 360 booth contract from my Google Drive onto my laptop. And then I would email the client and attach that contract to them, and I'll type the email just so they can remember what this is, and giving them instructions as far as review it, review it, and then send it back within 48 hours. And then sometimes some people didn't know how to sign the contract online or using their phone, and some that would ask me, is it okay if I print out the contract, sign it, and then take a picture of it? Which my answer would be, of course, yes. If that works for you, let's go ahead and move forward and do it in that way, in that fashion. So there you have it, guys. It was definitely slowing me down, especially when you're getting 2 to 3 events every single week, right? So today's video is a video that a lot of you guys have been waiting on, and I'm excited to finally put this video together because it's not the easiest thing to put these videos together, which is one reason why I always ask you guys if you can help me out with the like, and I don't ask for much. So that's basically it. So I'm gonna go ahead and dive right into the video. Hey, really quick though, just a conversation with you guys, just like pretend this is a one-on-one. If my videos have helped you save hundreds of dollars just because you are now educated on how to buy directly from the manufacturer, and I was able to save you money that way, or say for example my videos have helped you make hundreds of dollars, I would probably recommend that you guys continue investing in yourselves and join the Patreon page, because it's only $10 a month. That's the cost right now. It is going to go up as the value that I keep putting out continues to go up, so it's just going to be relevant. So I'll see you guys on the Patreon page if you guys make it there and really want to take your business to the next level. With that being said, I thank you guys for watching. I thank you for your support, and I thank you for hitting the like button that costs you absolutely nothing. So grab your tea, grab a beer, grab a drink, grab a snack, whatever. Let's go ahead and dive into this video. Let's go.